Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is about getting rid of the rogue browser that is called Ouroboros Browser. Ouroboros is a rogue browser that we discovered while inspecting suspicious software promoting websites. This browser likely has advertising-supported software functionalities. In other words, it may operate as adware. Ouroboros also shares traits with Browser Hijacker, um, in that it can cause redirects to fake search engines, specifically the Ouroborosbrowser.com website. It is worth mentioning that this browser likely spies on users' browsing activity as well. So basically, this is the way this Ouroboros browser looks like. It is often installed without the user's intention. It may be bundled with some free applications, and when you submit some search queries through it, you get the results by fake search engines not chosen by you initially. So we recommend that you get rid of this fake browser by going to the control panel, programs and features, click on uninstall a program, find this Ouroboros browser, right click on it and choose the option to uninstall this Ouroboros browser from your computer. If you find any other suspicious applications here, get rid of them too. Finally, my recommendation is that you also carefully research your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then begin researching your system with its help.